very respected Vice Chancellor, University of Lucknow, Manuka Madam, Dean Faculty of Engineering, Professor A.K. Singh ji, Director of Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Pushpen ji, Superintendent of Works, my colleague, Professor D.K. Singh ji, who I have been witnessing, is writing something very hard because he has to say vote of thanks, probably preparing a speech. My fellow colleagues from university, that includes Dean Faculty of Law, Director, Second Campus, Dean Student Welfare, Dean Faculty of Management, OSD of our Institute of Management Sciences, face of the university, Professor Yogesh ji, Professor Sonkar ji, Dean Faculty of Yoga, and our Dean Research, Dean Admissions, my other fellow colleagues from different departments, law, pharmacy, management, and my very dear students. At the outset, let me congratulate you all for the augmentation of the infrastructure at the Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई इस आधारभूत संरचना की के augmentation के लिए आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में. Probably I must say that among many of the Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences in the country, I mean to say in the entire country of India, in the university setup, if it is not an institute in isolation, you would not find an institute with such a wonderful infrastructure in the entire country. And if at all there will be very, very few. Very, very few. So for all these facility, infrastructure augmentation, my sincere congratulations are due, and to all the students of pharmacy, of D.Pharm and B.Pharm program, I along with all my colleagues, हमारे जितने भी colleagues यहाँ पे उपस्थित हैं और पूरे विश्वविद्यालय के 600 से ज़्यादा सहयोगियों के साथ और बहुत सारे हमारे इंजीनियरिंग सेक्शन के अधिकारियों के साथ मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ. अब इसमें दो तीन चीजें प्रमुख हैं. I was happy to learn that even a graduate student is publishing paper to the journal with an impact factor of 3. So that is commendable. We have not a very huge number of faculty, but all the numbers that we have got a lot of activities planned and conducted in Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. And I am also told that majority of these activities are undertaken by these students. So that is another commendable thing that you do. Now, first batch of B.Pharm program is supposed to come out, right? And the placement session has yet to begin. Now that is something we all are looking very, very keenly, and we hope for the best. You get the best of the possible placements. Pharmacy is very, very happening and in thing these days. So I believe there would be enormous prospect for all you pharmacy students, and may you get wonderful placement. Having said this, I also want to reiterate that in this infrastructure facility only, we have an incubation cell named as Navankur Foundation that largely aims at supporting the entrepreneurial spirit that you all have. आप सबके अंदर वो जो उद्यमिता का भाव है उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए we have Professor Amritanshu ji and his team who are here to support you, to render all possible support, including the financial part. And especially among the students of pharmacy, आप सबके अंदर अत्यंत और बहुत ही ज़्यादा संभावना है, बहुत ज़्यादा संभावना है. So emphasizing and focusing enormously onto placements and jobs only would not suffice, and that is not what is always called for. Economics में कहते हैं entrepreneurship is the remedy for majority of economic ills. दुनिया की ज़्यादातर आर्थिक समस्याओं की दवाई उद्यमिता में है. और आप तो खुद ही दवाई बनाते हैं, दवाई का परिष्करण करते हैं, दवाई का परीक्षण करते हैं, तो आपसे ज़्यादा इस बात को और इस महत्व को कौन समझेगा? I always wanted to see, whenever I come here, I wanted to see something tangible coming out of your institute. Like when I go to engineering faculty, कंप्यूटर सबसे ज़्यादा उसका चल रहा है, लेकिन उसकी चीज़ें दिखती नहीं है. हम लैब बनाएंगे वो दिखेगी, वो सॉफ्टवेयर बनाएगा वो दिखेगा, लेकिन आप दवाई बनाओगे वो दिखेगा, isn't it? तो it's high time where, and I'm pretty sure that all the learned faculty that you have, they certainly must be training you and imparting requisite skill. वो समस्त गुण आप में वो प्रेषित करते होंगे जिससे आप अब इस तरह की तमाम विधा और गुण को प्राप्त कर सकें. और प्रयोग करिए कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उद्यमिता की तरफ अपने कदम बढ़ाएं. प्रोफेसर अमृतांशु जी shall be providing all the support, as I've said. You can meet him. There can be several workshops. अभी मैं as I've said, this institute have been organizing lot of workshops. But then उन सभी workshops के इतर जाकर application of the domain knowledge and the skill, I mean the overall competency that you develop during your 4 years stay in the institute, essentially has got to get converted into producing something very, very meaningful. Meaningful to people, meaningful to society, and commercialization of something that you produce. उसकी जिम्मेदारी अमृतांशु जी लेंगे, इनकी टीम लेगी और हम सब लेंगे. उसमें आप सहभागी बनिए, आगे बढ़िए. The institute also aims to have postgraduate program. I say this on record that the university is not averse of having postgraduate programs, but we essentially need to have a requisite backup. हमारे पास वो इंटेलेक्चुअल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी होना चाहिए, हमारे पास वो फिजिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी होना चाहिए. अगर हम अपने बीफार्म के बच्चे की अच्छी प्लेसमेंट अभी कराने में की तैयारी में है, तो हम एमफार्म के बच्चे को कहाँ से ले लेंगे, और ले लेंगे तो फिर उनका क्या करेंगे? So we are not a commercial organization where we see things from the perspective of commercializations, but all the input that we get, जैसे आप सब आते हैं, आपको लगता है आप अपने परिवार के बच्चे हैं, हमारे लिए आप देश का एक संसाधन है. You are a human resource which is intended to be prepared and made ready to go back to the society and serve the society and country. So we take you that as a resource. Our job is to process you and make you prepared to be worthy of serving the nation and the society. And if you're not able to do that, we fail in our duty, and we don't want to fail, right? So come, join the efforts of the university, do well, and the university is there to provide all the possible support that is required for your holistic well-being. Many congratulations for all the augmentations and my sincere wishes for a wonderful future. Thank you very much.